keep it steady. About to kill some time underneath.
Weddings truly are the best. It's hard to do better than seeing two people publicly express their unconditional love for one another. And what makes it special for each of you in the audience is the love that you all share for Goran and Shannon. But you're here today not just because of your love for them, but because of their love for you.
That's right.
To the love of my life. I don't even know where to start at because we have a whole lifetime ahead of us. I could start by saying that you are beautiful, loving, and funny.
I used to look up at the stars and get jealous of the sky.
Goran, you are the love of my life, my best friend, and partner in crime. I am so glad I said yes to that very first date because it led me to the best yes of my life.
And how they first met and what it must have been like.
What I love the most about you is that you make me whole as a person. I love starting and ending every day knowing that you'll be there to make me laugh and make me smile. I love that you make our house a home. Even when I'm at my worst, you know how to make me feel better. With a kiss, a hug, and words of encouragement. You push me to the best version of myself, and I can't thank you enough for that.
Let's burn like the stars, leave it all behind. This is the start of a lifetime.
I promise to love you and always be by your side. I promise to be faithful during the best times, worst of times, and everything in between. I promise to listen and learn from you, even if I think I'm right. I promise to support you and push you to being the best version of yourself, all while being your biggest cheerleader. I promise to never take life too seriously and always put a smile on your face. And lastly, I promise to adore you, cherish you, and respect you for all the days of my life.
Oh my God.
Do you like it?
You're gorgeous. You're beautiful.
Never felt so alive. This spark is turning into wildfire. Let's burn like the stars and leave it all behind.
I knew that putting that ring on your finger was what I wanted to do since I met you. This union between us is a one-time thing for me, and I will be with you until the day I die. Through sickness and health, through our best and our worst days, I promise to never give up, and I will always be there for you. I can't wait to grow old with you. I love you always and forever.
You have come before us, before God, and expressed your desire to be husband and wife. You have shown your love and affection by joining hands and made promises of faith and devotion to each other. It is seriously my honor to therefore pronounce that you are husband and wife. Goran, you may kiss your bride.
Keep it steady. About to kill some time under neon lights. Who's with me?
As a parent, there is no bigger compliment than being told that your child has been raised right. And Goran has been raised right. From our very first meeting, he treated her with kindness. He was caring and loving and also very patient. And I wish you and Shannon a long and fulfilling marriage and life together. Now, it's my time to brag on my amazing daughter, Shannon. Shannon, your mother and I are so proud of who you've become, both as a person and in your professional life. You're strong, confident, caring, and an amazing woman, daughter, and now wife.
You are kind, compassionate, thoughtful, loving, brave, courageous, family-oriented, and very, very patient. Your energy is contagious and you light up every room with happiness, smiles, and laughter.
Let's ride.
Making a marriage work doesn't come naturally. It takes doing what came naturally, intentionally. And just like you intentionally pursued each other's hearts, I want to encourage you to never stop intentionally pursuing each other's hearts in your marriage. Never stop the pursuit.